If you want to speak English fluently, you have to be doing these 3 things. I'm Ash, I'm an English teacher here in Japan, and I've been teaching English for the last 5 years. And students who apply these tips learn the fastest and become fluent a lot quicker. The first tip is to make sure you are consuming as much English media as possible. You should be listening to English music. You should be watching English films and television series. You should be reading English books every single day. This will help improve your vocabulary and also your listening skills. Second thing you should be doing is writing down any new vocabulary that you hear, and then within the same week, try and use that within a conversation. Writing things down is just one part of this 2-step process. The second step is actually using that vocabulary. If you don't use it, your brain will forget it. The final tip is that you should be practicing with somebody who's better at English than you are. That could be with a teacher like myself, or with a friend you met online, or in person, or perhaps even just trying it out if you're living in the UK or you're living in an English-speaking country, speaking with staff members or speaking with people on the street. You should be practicing with people better than you. If you can't find anyone in person, look online. There's plenty of language exchange apps that are completely free, or check Discord servers